So your income is just a reflection of your skill set and value you can provide. That's it. It's not a college degree or any of that crap. It's just your skills and value you can provide. And in order to make money and increase your earning capacity, you need to have the right skills and you need to provide the most value to people. So in this, I'm gonna break down an easy to understand framework that'll help you identify how you can become immensely valuable in 2023. Let's get into it. So the first step to becoming extremely valuable is becoming somebody who is hard to replace. And the way that I like to be hard to replace is by having a T-shaped skill set. So the first thing that you need to understand is the difference between a generalist and a specialist. A generalist is somebody who is a jack of all trades, meaning they know a little bit of everything. And a specialist is a master of one, meaning that they only specialize in one specific subject and that's just it. Which one do you think you should be? In this new economy, I'm going to argue both, being both a generalist and a specialist. But how does this make sense? How do I be both? And it's by having a T-shaped skill set. Let's get into an example of what this is. Let's say that you're a CEO of a company. And if you're a CEO of a company, you need to be a pretty strong generalist, especially if you're a new founder, if you're a new entrepreneur. Operations and systems, accounting, finance, marketing, sales, analytics. The reason you want to have all these skills is because it gives you the perfect perspective from which to make a judgment on how all the pieces of the puzzle fit together. You'll be able to understand if your accountant knows what he's talking about or not. You're gonna be able to know the basics of sales and hire the right salespeople. You're gonna be able to develop the right marketing process or whatever it is because you know a little bit of everything. But where does a specialist come along? If you just have that one skill set that you are uniquely specialized in, but you have solid understanding of everything else, this is the T-shaped skill set, and this is how you become somebody who is hard to replace. The CEO example, he specializes in marketing. This is his strength, but he also has basic understanding of every other department, so he knows how all the pieces of the puzzle fit together. Like I said, he'll know if his accountant knows what he's talking about or not. He'll know the tax strategy. He'll know the operations and systems, how that works. He'll know how to hire good salespeople because he has good understanding of everything else. But he has that one specialized skill, which is marketing in this example, which he can focus most of his attention on to move the company forward. Now let's break this down in a more practical example. Let's say that you're starting up a marketing agency. What is the skill set that you should have? You need to know a little bit of sales, right? Because you got to get on the phone and close some clients. You need to know project management because you have all these little other clients with their businesses that you need to work on and market. Project management is very important. Facebook ads. Let's say you're a Facebook ads agency. You obviously need to know how Facebook ads work. SEO and search engine marketing is important to know as well. Content creation, right? But if you're a Facebook ads agency, then your obvious specialization is going to be Facebook ads. So you can spend your time running and building a Facebook ads agency while you have basic understanding of every other skill, of every other department, so you can make your business work. This is how to make yourself hard to replace. AI, of all things, especially makes my point more relevant because with AI, all these artificial intelligence tools coming out, it's replacing a lot of labor, human labor. Copywriting is a big one. And if your only skill set is just copywriting, unless you're a world-class phenomenon at it, you're kind of screwed, right? But if you are specialized in copywriting, but also have a good understanding of sales, you are good at running ads, you know personal branding, you know how social media algorithms work, you now become somebody that is hard to replace, that I can't just find on ChatGPT, that I can't just find on Upwork or Fiverr and just hire. And that's what makes you immensely valuable. So this is how I want you to break down your skill set. What is the skill that you specialize in? And what is all the other basic pillars that give you the perspective? Thank you.